So today I'm going to show you how to use SoFi Invest. We're going to kind of break it down with just some basics on how it functions, what it looks like, and getting into investing on this platform. Now, if you're interested in signing up after this video, I'll have a link for them in the show notes down below. It does help support out the channel, but it gets you more free content just like this. Plus, they usually have a nice little sign up bonus when going through my link. Now, you're going to see the app loaded up here in real time, and we're just going to kind of walk through it. I'm just going to talk a little bit about it. I've been using the SoFi Invest for quite some time at this point, so we're going to kind of just take this step by step and just kind of open this up. This is what the SoFi Invest app looks like. Now, it is actually kind of combined with a couple different other apps like SoFi Money and their loans and everything else. So you can see at the very bottom, kind of towards the right, it's currently highlighted for Invest, and that's where we're at. Now you can see here, we actually have two different kind of investing accounts. We have an individual active account, which has about $602 into it, and we also have a crypto investing. Yes, they also do crypto, and we currently have about $87.98. Now, what we're gonna do is first and foremost go into the active investing. So if we click on here, it's going to take us into our account. Now you're going to see a couple different things on this account. You're going to see our total balance right over here. You can see how much we lost or gained for the day. You can see our net contributions, total gains, dividends if you earn some dividends, and a few other functionalities. Of course, you can add cash by clicking the add cash button. You can even refer friends and family if you want to. You can also type in the search. So if you want to look for certain apps, you can do that. And by apps, I actually meant stocks. So if we clicked on there, you can see, you can look at different collections. You can see what's popular, or you can just type in whatever ticker number that you know that you want to see. You could also do that with the crypto in that same section if you want to, and that works the same way. Now there is buying power. That's actually what you have available to actually go ahead and buy more stocks or even crypto. And then you have the withdrawal amount. So if you want to be withdrawing, sometimes this might be different than your actual buying power, because SoFi Invest actually does it where you can have an instant deposit available for you. So once that instant deposit hits your account, it's available for buying power, but maybe not right away for withdrawal. Now they do also have a transfer option. So if you're somebody who wants to be leaving a different platform, such as like Robinhood or Webull or anything else, you can go ahead and transfer the account. Now you do want to have the account opened up with SoFi Invest, again, by using that link down below or any other means, and then coming over here and clicking transfer to SoFi. Now they do cover up to $75, but there are stipulations as far as needing a certain amount to be transferring over from. Otherwise, you might just be better off selling off your stocks and then transferring them over that way. Now, if we keep on scrolling down here, you can actually see where it says my investments. So it doesn't actually show up right away at the top of what you're invested in. It just shows you your earnings and your total gains. But here you can actually see your investments currently. So I currently have two different investments, and I'm currently just investing into some ETFs here. So the first one is the GIGE. We can go ahead and click on here, and it shows you a little graph like you typically see with most places, and you can kind of toggle through the different time frames that they have available for you. And if you slide down, it gives you more descriptive information when it comes to the brokerage itself and just kind of the functionalities of this app. You can see the buy and sell at the very bottom. Very explanatory. If you click on buy right over here, you can go ahead and start buying more into the stock that you already own, or you can set up a reoccurring investment if you wanted to. Now, if you click on buy, it'll take it here. So you can either buy by the dollar amount, which is effectively a fractional share if you want to buy in smaller amounts, or you can buy by these shares by toggling to the shares. And this gives you options for different order types. Now, different order types just function a little bit differently for you. You could do limit order, or you could do a market order. Now from right over here, you can see that the market is currently closed as of us recording this. So if you place anything, it'll go into the order in the next available time frame, which is usually the next business day that the market is open. Now, if you want to sell, similar thing, if you click on sell, it'll take you to that page where you can see whether you want to sell in shares or dollar amounts. And if you have a stock that you're interested in buying but maybe don't already have it, we can go back up to the search and then click on something like Amazon or Tesla, and from here you can go ahead and click on the buy button. It's only available for buy because we don't already own it. Or if you wanted to, you can add it to your watch by clicking watch over there at the top right or middle right. And from here you can go ahead and watch it and then maybe be interested in buying it in the later future. Now, when it comes to SoFi Invest, the biggest thing with this is that this is definitely a little bit more basic than some of the other apps out there when it comes to information and functionalities. But for somebody who's just maybe wanting to get invested and be in the market, this is actually a really solid app for you to be able to utilize and just function properly, so that way you have that money investing every single time. And the great thing is, if you have SoFi Money, which is their free checking account, this works seamlessly between the two different services that they offer. So if you have both, it actually works even better at that point as well too. Again, if you're interested in checking them out, I'll have a link for them in the show notes down below for you. Help support out the channel, but you get that nice little bonus for going through and signing up as well. Now, I want you to actually keep on learning more about SoFi Invest. So I want you to click on my video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.